Good morning, myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome to all of you in physics lecture of gravitation for class 11. Okay, so today's our topic is variation in G ongoing upward direction from Earth's surface as well as downward direction from Earth's surface. Okay, so variation in G. First of all, we discuss variation in G on going downward direction from Earth's surface. So suppose this is your Earth, okay, and now we find out here what is the change in G when we move upward direction from Earth's surface. So note it down, variation in G when we move upward direction from Earth's surface. That is altitude. It is also known as altitude. ओके, हम अर्थ सरफेस से ऊपर जाते हैं तो उस चीज को क्या बोलते हैं? एल्टीट्यूड. ठीक है ना? ओके, तो वी स्टार्ट. दिस इज द अर्थ ऑफ रेडियस r एंड मास m. This is the earth of radius re and mass m. So what is the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth? We discussed it earlier. G equal to gme upon re square, where re is the radius of earth, m is the mass of the earth. So at earth surface you can write here gs equal to gme by re square. gme by r square. So at height h from Earth's surface, what will be the value of g? Think about it. So let it considered as gh. So gh will be gme by re plus h का whole square. When distance is re, then gs equal to gme by r square. When distance is re plus h, then acceleration due to gravity at height h equal to gme by re plus h square. Isn't it? Note it down. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. So now you can 2 by 1 divided in 2 by 1. So what will you get? Let's see. Dividing 2 by 1. What will you get? gh upon gs equal to gme upon re plus h का whole square upon gme upon re square. gme is cancelled by gme, so gh will be re square upon re plus h square into gs. Isn't it? Note it down. To further simplify, you can take RE as a common. So RE स्क्वायर, यहां से हम लोग RE स्क्वायर को कॉमन कर लेते हैं, तो RE स्क्वायर 1 प्लस H अपॉन RE होल स्क्वायर इनटू GS. So RE square is cancelled by RE square. So this is the final answer. That is GH equal to GS upon 1 plus H by RE whole square. When we are at height H, there will be GH and value of GH will be GS upon 1 plus H by RE का whole square, where H is the height from Earth's surface and RE is the radius of the Earth. Okay, this is a very important formula and this is a real formula. This is a real formula. Now मैं रन कर देता हूँ. I think you are able to understand what I am saying here. GH equal to GS upon 1 plus H by RE का whole square. Okay, so we write here GH equal to GS 1 plus H by RE whole square. This is a real formula of G when we moving upward direction from the surface. Now one very important formula when approximation is taken place, like if H is very small to radius of the Earth, then GH will be GS 1 plus H by RE minus 2. When H is very small RE, so we can use binomial theorem. As you well known that if this quantity is very small as compared to this quantity, then you can use binomial formula, and binomial formula is 1 plus x power n equal to 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 x square by factorial 2 plus so on. Since x is very small, so you can neglect higher term. 1 by 2 is small, so 1 by 2 square is more small, so 1 by 2 cube is further small, so you can neglect that value. So this formula will be up to 1 plus nx only. So neglecting higher term, you get 1 plus xn equal to 1 plus nx. 1 plus nx. तो आपको इस फॉर्मूले को याद रखें, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है बाइनोमियल का. मुझे पता है कि आपको ये पता है. So using this formula, we'll get here GH equal to GS 1 minus 2H upon RE. N equal to minus 2 and x equal to h by r. X equal to h by r. X equal to h by r. N equal to minus 2. So you use this formula. In this equation, you will get GH equal to GS 1 minus 2h by RE. This is the formula which is obtained by approximation. That is, h is very small as compared to RE. जब h RE के कंपेयर में बहुत छोटा होता है, तो इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करते हैं. पहले हमने देखा कि रियल फॉर्मूला क्या था, अभी हमने देखा अप्रॉक्सीमेशन वाला फॉर्मूला क्या है. Isn't it? So watch it very carefully and note it down. Okay, now the board. So as we see the formula, as we going upward direction from our surface, value of g decreases. Gh equal to gs minus gs to h by re. gs में से आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट करा है कुछ, तो gh मिल रहा है. इट्स मीन h हाइट पर g की वैल्यू gs से कम मिली. तो इसका मतलब होता है when we going upward direction from our surface, value of g decreases. So you can write here value of g decreases when we go upward direction from our surface. Okay, so write it down. Value of g decreases at altitude. Very important. Note it down. You can write here h is variable, so gh equal to gs. हम इन सारी चीजों को क्या ले सकते हैं? सपोज these physical quantities h and I, since h is variable, so whole quantity will vary with respect to time. Okay, so you can write here 1 minus 2h by re as r. So g is r equal to 1 minus 2h upon re, and r is variable here, and gs is the gravity at our surface which is constant. gme by re square होता है. gm की वैल्यू क्या होती है? v surface gme upon re square. gme upon re square. g constant, me constant, re constant. So gs is constant. So value of g at our surface is constant. So you can write here gh proportional r. gh proportional r. Okay. Very important relation. It is used in graph. It is used in graph. So write here very carefully. This is the formula for altitude. One is real formula, that is gs upon 1 minus h by re का whole square. Real formula, and this is the formula for approximations when h is very small. So remember that very carefully. When h is very small, you can use this formula, and when h is much high, या real formula or any other value, you can use previous formula. मिटा दो इसको. Okay. Now we'll discuss about when we going downward from our surface. So what will happen and what is the variation in g? So this is a okay. So we go through it by tunnel. Suppose body is here, that is depth d, at depth d from a surface. Body is at depth d from a surface, and r is the radius of the earth. Okay, d यहाँ पर आएंगे. This is the center. So you can see here. This is the body which is at depth d from Earth's surface. So what is the radius of this Earth? This will be Re minus d. This will be Re minus d. Isn't it? So at this position, GS, G at the surface of the Earth, we already discussed GME by R square. Okay, fine. Clear? And now move on at depth D. So GD equal to GME dash by GME dash by RE minus D का whole square. Because at this point gravity force acted by this earth, which is yellow color here. So this earth having mass me dash. Me dash is the mass of the earth which having radius Re minus d, and me is the mass of the earth which having radius Re. Remember that. So at depth d, GD will be GME dash upon Re minus d का whole square, where me dash is the mass of the earth which having radius Re minus d. Clear? Okay. Now this is number 1 equation and this is number 2. Okay, dividing 2 by 1. Same problem. 2 by 1. What will get? GD by GS. GD by GS. GD by GS. What will get? Equal to GME dash by Re minus d का whole square upon GME upon Re square. Okay. Now, if density of the earth is rho, which is uniform throughout, whether bigger earth or smaller earth, both having density rho, because earth is considered as uniformly mass sphere. So what is me here? Mass equal to volume into density. So mass equal to volume of the density of bigger earth, that is 4 by 3 pi Re cube. Mass equal to volume of earth of radius Re. Mass volume into density rho. Okay. Similarly, me dash is equal to mass of the earth of radius Re minus d. So mass equal to volume. तो volume किसका लो गया? Which having radius Re minus d. So 4 by 3 pi Re minus d whole cube into rho. Clear? So put this value me and me dash in equation this one by 3. Note it down here right now. Okay. As you put me and me dash in this equation, definitely you will get GD equal to GS 1 minus d by RE. Put the value of ME and ME dash in this equation and definitely you will get this one. This is homework for you and you should do it. Okay? So आपको होमवर्क में दे रहा हूँ, ये वैल्यू पुट करिए और ये आंसर लाइए. And this is the real formula. This is the real formula when going inside the earth surface. This is a real formula. Gs, gravity at earth surface. D, depth from earth surface. Re, radius of the earth. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Now for graph, we will see all the cases when we go upward direction, when we go downward direction, and on surface. So listen, at upward direction, GH equal to GME, sorry, RE square upon 1 plus H by RE a whole square. This is the formula. Okay? So GH. So as we know, H is variable here. So put this quantity as R. So GS upon R square. And GS is constant. So GH proportional 1 by R square. As we go upward direction from our surface, value of G decreases exponentially. Rectangular hyperbola. Okay? So graph rectangular hyperbola की तरह आपको डिक्रीज करेगा, है ना? याद रखिए. अच्छा, आपने प्रीवियस में ये जो लिखा था GH बराबर GS into R, ये नहीं होगा भाई, गलत है ये. देखो ये कैसे हो सकता है? ऐसे आया था ना, तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो इट इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है ना? हाइट वाइज चढ़ेगी तो क्या करेगा? GH प्रोपोर्शनल 1 by R स्क्वायर. GH प्रोपोर्शनल 1 by R स्क्वायर. यानी अर्थ सरफेस से ऊपर जाएंगे तो आपका G 1 by R स्क्वायर के टर्म में डिक्रीज करेगा. डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल हो जाता तो इंक्रीज करता भाई, गलत हो जाता ना. So this is the formula for height wise. ठीक है? Now at the surface of the GS equal to GME by RE square. That is constant value. ME is constant, G is constant, RE is constant, so whole is constant. At the surface of the earth, constant. And depth GS 1 minus D upon RE. So GS 1 minus D upon RE is R. So GD proportional R. Depth wise 1 minus D is variable. So 1 minus D by RE is taken as small r. So GD बराबर GS into R. GS is constant. So GD प्रोपोर्शनल R. अब इन तीनों को लेकर के हमें ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है ना? लेट्स सी. याद आएगा? ओके. This is R variable and this is G. This is center of the earth. So RE. This is center of the earth and this is surface of the earth. RE is this. So from center to earth surface directly proportional. G is directly proportional R. भाई सरफेस से अर्थ तक का आपने देखा था डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल था ना. तो फ्रॉम सेंटर टू अर्थ सरफेस G वेरी डायरेक्टली टू अर्थ, दैट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. एंड एट सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ G is constant, that is GME by R square. And after that from earth surface to upward direction h height G very hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola like that. G proportional 1 by R. From center to surface G is directly proportional to R, and at the surface G is constant, that is GME by R square. And from earth surface to upward direction altitude wise G is directly proportional to 1 by R square, or it will decrease in terms of rectangular hyperbola. So today's class is over now, and I hope you all are very good and understand all the things. So best of luck. Thank you.